Nasty.
You guys get some more dish?
You're gonna drop some of this. What are you throwing in there?
Ew. Wait, I'm making my secret yummy recipe.
Are you gonna drink it?
Yeah.
You're not. You're not gonna drink that.
How do you know?
Because I know you're not here.
Oh, tofu. Tofu. Secret ingredient.
Okay, ready? I'm just
Wait.
gonna drink it. Oh, man.
Add some
Rice. Wasabi.
and a little bit of wasabi.
Wasabi. Wasabi. Wasabi.
You know.
Wasabi.
You definitely drink it.
You are.
Me. I dare you.
A little more water.
No?
Just pour it from the straw. Or drink it. Go like the and spit it out.
You're not getting out.
And we are done.
Okay, ready?
Now
Try
mix it up. Mix it up.
Okay. Mixing up stick.
It's my mixing up stick.
Okay, and the food is ready. Who wants some?
You do.
You do.
If you have some, I'll have some.
If you have some,
No, just drink it out of the cup, Nathan.
he wants to prove it.
That one. If you have some, I'll have some. Sit down. Good job, there. Sit down.
Drink
Sit down
some.
now.
No.
You want that out?
I'm gonna vomit.
You made that.
You did?
You better go to the bathroom if that's the case. Go, the bathroom's over there.
I'll drink it.
Go try it.
What?
Will you try it?
Now Charlie's gonna try it.
Cody, try it.
Have a good drink because he had a gulp.
No, he
Come on,
didn't.
protein.
Here, Ale.
Protein.
Wait.
Show your mom. Sit down. Ready?
Go.
Gross.
No, that was not. No, you need to have a drink.
Oh, that is
You
disgusting.
need to have a drink.
I can see the wasabi.
Ew, that's so nasty. What kind of chef are you? The poison chef?
Try it. Try it. Try it.
I did.
Are you the poison chef or what?
No, they call me the best Japanese.
Let's hear your turn.
I can't try it, Mom.
Now we're gonna go. Let's gonna eat it.
Dad, look.
Come on,
Here,
Mom,
what
you
he-
have to try it.
Mom, what's your name again? What's your name?
Huh?
You're the poison chef, huh?
Sit down.
I'm Chef Wasabi.
Try it.
He is Chef Wasabi. He is Chef Wasabi.
Mom, I'll add a better ingredient, okay, Mom? Here, I'll make something new. Here,
No more.
if you
That
can
was
drink
disgusting.
this, Mom, I will do whatever you want. I'll do whatever you want this night.
No.
Let that happen.
I know, I'm just gonna have a little. If you drink this,
Stop it, Riella. You're. Ooh, straight up. Just kidding. I'm like,
if you drink this-
videos.
Mom, look it. See,
I am not gonna drink that.
it's not coming out.
It did come out.
If you drink
Here.
a
that
little bit pepper.
and a little incy bit of pepper, I'll do whatever you want me to do for the rest of the night. I'll get off my iPad. I'll clean my room, I'll vacuum.
And I'm just gonna have one drink.
Yeah. Oh, and a little bit of this.
Wait, I'm gonna record it.
Ooh.
Ready? Wait. I wanna record it.
That wasn't bad.
Let me try.
Oh, my
Okay, no, boss level.
She
No,
tried.
no, I did it already. So
Boss level.
you guys heard him. He's gonna sit
Sit down.
whatever.
Right here.
So nope.
Right here.
No,
You want to sit down
you're
right
gonna
there?
get my shirt.
For
Then
2
stop.
days straight. Just no flip.
No, that's it.
Dang it.
Okay.
No, a deal's off.
Nope. So
Deal's
you guys are not gonna
off.
eat the last piece and a half?
You can do it.
No, I can't do it. I can't.